Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get back formatted data from a hard disk. The very first and most crucial step after realizing data loss is to immediately stop using the affected drive. Any new data written to the disk can permanently overwrite your lost files, making recovery impossible. Before attempting any recovery, always check if you have a recent backup available, either on an external drive or in cloud storage. This simple check can save you a lot of time and effort. If no backup exists, data recovery software is your next best option. These programs work by scanning the formatted drive for traces of your old file system and data that haven't yet been overwritten. There are many reliable tools available, some even offering free trials to show you what can be recovered. Remember to install and run this software from a completely different drive to prevent further data loss on your original formatted disk. Sometimes, software alone isn't enough. If your hard drive is making unusual clicking or grinding noises, or if it has suffered physical damage, it is best to seek professional data recovery services. These experts possess specialized tools and operate in cleanroom environments to safely handle severely damaged drives. For data that is truly critical or irreplaceable, investing in professional help significantly increases your chances of a successful recovery, often when do-it-yourself methods have failed. To prevent future data loss, establishing robust data safety practices is essential. Always maintain a consistent backup strategy, storing copies of important files in at least 2 different locations, such as an external drive and cloud storage. Protect your hardware with surge protectors and ensure your computer remains clean and well ventilated. Regularly update your antivirus software and always exit programs correctly before shutting down your system to safeguard your valuable information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.